Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to get iPhone keyboard on this device. So, did you know that you actually can get the iPhone keyboard on this like Huawei device? Like you have this Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, but you know it's for poor people. We don't need this kind of keyboard. We will get the keyboard for the rich ones, the iPhone keyboard. So what you have to do is to just download this app, Green Apple Keyboard, from the app gallery. Then you have to open it, enable it in settings. Let's disable this. Then you have to switch it from this Microsoft to the Apple, and it's finished. Now you can, for example, change the different options of this keyboard. Let's open this keyboard, and as you can see, now I have the keyboard exactly like on my iPhone. Unbelievable. Even the Apple emojis, super cool. I don't know what even to say about this app. So what else you have here? You can change its theme. Like you have right now I have the light. You can change it to dark. Let's try the red Apple. Why not? And as you can see, now I have the red keyboard here. Nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.